And now, your Storm Shield forecast with NBC26 Chief Meteorologist Cameron Moreland.
For most areas, today was the hottest day of the summer. Sturgeon Bay, Manitowoc, Sheboygan, and Oconto all recording the first 90 of the year, and we have several more opportunities for highs in the 90s as we head through the next week or so. Here is a look at your 7-day temperature trend. We're going to cool down tomorrow, but on Friday we're going to zip back up into the upper 80s. A little bit cooler on Saturday, mid-80s, and then upper 80s, and then some 90s for Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. How hot we get exactly will depend on whether or not we have some thunderstorm complexes around or not. Currently, we're looking at temperatures that are in the 80s. So yeah, right towards the shoreline of Lake Michigan, temperatures making it all the way up to 90 today with a gusty west to southwest wind. 87 in Manitowoc. It is 89 in Sheboygan. We're still looking at 88 degrees in Fond du Lac. In Appleton, it is mostly sunny and 84 with gusty westerly winds. In Green Bay, it is also mostly sunny. The temperature is 86 with westerly winds at around 15 to 25 miles per hour. The dew point has dropped down to 60 degrees. It's kind of hard to pick up the cold front on a temperature plot, but you can see it on the dew point plot. That cold front is located about right here. Out ahead of it, we're still looking at dew points that are in the upper 60s to lower 70s, but behind it, dew points are crashing into the lower and mid 50s. That is much more comfortable air working in from the west. Storm Shield radar also clearly shows where the cold front is. Pushing to the east of Green Bay, we've got a thunderstorm now heading into Sturgeon Bay. We've got a few more storms here that are starting to develop to the east of Door County and also just to the north and west of Washington Island. This appears to be the main show for this evening's event. Thunderstorms developing north and east of Green Bay. You can see that everything will eventually wind down here as we progress through the evening. Yesterday, there was a threat for severe weather across the entire viewing area, but the cold front sped up by about 2 or 3 hours. It was expected to be about right here around 5 o'clock, but it's actually about right here, and that's why the threat for severe weather has been shifted off to the north and east. You can see the cold front making its way through eastern Wisconsin. Behind it, we've got high pressure and cooler temperatures. Highs today only in the upper 70s to around 80, and that cooler weather will replace the very warm and hot weather that we saw today. Look for temperatures to be running about 10 to 12 degrees cooler tomorrow compared to what we saw today. We'll see a mixture of clouds and sunshine during the morning and then mostly sunny skies as we move into the afternoon with a gusty northwest wind. On Friday, we'll see gusty southwest winds, so we're going to warm back up again. It looks like upper 80s, maybe a few lower 90s by Friday afternoon. And that sets the stage for what we're going to see as we head through the next 1 to 2 weeks. It looks like a very warm to hot air mass is going to settle in across the upper Midwest. So your forecast for tonight calls for that slight chance of an isolated storm north and east of Green Bay. Look for mostly cloudy skies besides that as an area of clouds works in from the west during the evening hours. Tomorrow, sun and clouds early, then mostly sunny, breezy and cooler. My 3-degree guarantee for tomorrow is 79. If I can hit that high within 3 degrees, we will donate $100 to Project Backpack, and we did that today. I forecast 89, and the actual high temperature was 89 degrees. On Friday, mostly sunny, a chance for a thunderstorm late as another system moves through. A little bit cooler on Saturday, but warm, mid-80s. Upper 80s on Sunday, a chance for some late-day storms. And then it looks like the real heat pushes in for Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. I'm conservatively going 90 right now. Some spots could get up into the mid-90s if we have enough sunshine. The big question right now, Stacy, is where will we have some thunderstorm complexes across the upper Midwest and how will they impact